Good morning, friends. My name is Durga Shivaji Bavaskar, and my today's seminar topic is gel electrophoresis. Friends, in gel electrophoresis, we see that what is gel electrophoresis, principle of gel electrophoresis, types of gel, and their applications. Gel electrophoresis. What is gel electrophoresis? It is a method for separation and analysis of macromolecules, DNA, RNA, and proteins, and their fragments based on their size. So why we study the gel electrophoresis? Because of their uses, like clinical chemistry to separate proteins by charge and their size. Biochemistry has also application. Molecular biology to separate DNA and RNA fragments by length or to separate proteins by charge. Now we move towards the principle. How it is exactly happens. Electrophoresis is a technique used for sorting of macromolecules based on their size and charge. The gel is placed in an electrophoresis chamber, which is then connected to a power source. The electric field consists of negative charge at one end, which pushes the molecules through the gel, and a positive charge at the other end that pulls the molecules through the gel. So positive charge like cations will migrate towards the cathode, which is negatively charged, and negatively charged anions they will migrate towards the positively charged anode. Friends, you see this figure and notice that positively charged, that is cations, will migrate towards the cathode, which is negatively charged, and negatively charged anions they will migrate towards the positive charge when we apply the electric current. And also the larger molecules move more slowly through the gel, while the smaller molecules move faster. Why larger molecules move more slowly? Because of their weight. The different size molecules form distinct bands on the gel. If several samples have been loaded into adjacent wells in the gel, they will run parallel to the individual planes. Friends, if you this figure, you notice that this is the figure of DNA separation, and in second figure you will see that the larger molecules move very slowly, run very slowly in agarose gel, while the size which is very while the smaller molecules move faster in the agarose gel electrophoresis. Next is types of gel. There are two types of gel. Most typically used are agarose and polyacrylamide gels. Each type of gel is well suited to different types and size of analyte. First we will see the agarose gel. Agarose gel is a polysaccharide extracted from seaweeds. It is typically used at concentration of 0.5 to 2%. The higher the agarose concentration, the stiffer the gel. Higher percentage requiring longer run times. Agarose gel have greater range of separation and are therefore used for DNA fragments of usually 50 to 20,000 bp in size. Agarose gels are typically run horizontally in submarine mode. Now we see the how to prepare the agarose gel. Friends, agarose sets thermally. Agarose gel are extremely easy to prepare. You simply mix a agarose powder with buffer solution. Melt it by heating and power the gel. It is also non-toxic except after adding of ethidium bromide. So by this way we will prepare the agarose gel. Friends, this is the figure of agarose gel electrophoresis. In this figure, there is electric current is applied here, and agarose gel is placed in at the bottom, and we place the DNA sample. DNA sample is loading in the DNA sample is loaded in cubes, and they are move during the when we apply the electric current. So which DNA is higher, then that DNA move slowly, and which macromolecules is which low weighted are move faster in this figure. Friend, this is the diagram of preparation of agarose gel. In this diagram, we place the agarose gel in plastic coating tray and then allow to it for solidify. After solidification, we remove complex swells are left in the gel. After that sample migrate through the gel to the positive charge and then add biological sample to well and apply current. By this way, we will prepare the agarose gel. This diagram represents the agarose electrophoresis. Now we will see the polyacrylamide. What is polyacrylamide? Polyacrylamide is a cross-linked polymer of acrylamide. It is used for separating proteins ranging in size from 5 to 2000 kDa. Friends, from this technique we separate the small fragments of DNA which is less than 500 bp. This polyacrylamide is a patent of neurotoxin and should be handled with care. Wear disposable gloves when handling solution of acrylamide and wear a mask when wet out powder. Friend, this diagram represents the polyacrylamide. As like of agarose gel, this is also similar applications of gel electrophoresis. Determination of DNA sequence. By this technique we determine the DNA sequence. It is also used in southern and northern blotting. Restriction of mapping of DNA is also used by this technique. It has variety of application in protein study like determination of molecular weight of proteins by electrophoresis. Also determination of subunit stoichiometric is also the applications of gel electrophoresis. Friends, these are my references. And lastly, thank you for hearing me. Thank you.